So we basically got about a foot. It's not too bad though. We really got lucky. These wires in the trees are hanging pretty low, but I think for the most part my property did really get spared from the worst of the winds. So I'll just take a walk around and show you this snowstorm's effects. Pretty crazy. This little tree's completely bent over. Driveway looked like it got plowed pretty well. Yeah, these limbs have a lot of snow on them. We got so lucky with this storm because the winds did not come directly here. Now again, it might be a lot different story up in the fields and in the town of Johnsburg. And especially from what the sheriff said on the east-west roads. But we have a few limbs down over here. Can't really see it because it's so white. It's pretty beautiful, actually. And we are so lucky. Yeah. That is about it. I don't see any damage. Thank goodness. Makes me feel grateful that I have time to get some of these trees taken care of a little bit better, a little bit farther from the house. Every year we do more and more. We've done probably, well, I would say over the years, $20,000 worth of tree work here because of how close they are. And we have tried to get this to be a safer situation. And every year we do more and more. So about another year, I think. This is pretty incredible. Had that wind whipped through here, this would be a completely different story. Hope you guys are all well. Thank you. Bye.